So in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to airdrop to your iPhone to your MacBook. So it's very easy process. Just follow the step. Go to your photo. Suppose I am to airdrop a photo to transfer a photo iPhone to airdrop. Now you need to select a photo. I am selecting the couple of photo actually, and then you need to go this icon. So before that you need to enable your Bluetooth first. So I already enable it, and enable airdrop on your MacBook also. You can find airdrop from here. Airdrop also you can go command shift system setting, and then you can see the airdrop option, and I am turning airdrop from here, turning airdrop and make it for everyone. You can also go to finder and airdrop. It's for everyone. Now all set. Now send a photo. So I have selected 5 images and press on this icon, and you now need to select your airdrop. Press on airdrop, and this is my MacBook. So press on and wait. It's sent. So let's see. From download option, you can see all of your images. So here it is. So this is how you can easily airdrop your photo to iPhone to your MacBook. So hope video helpful. Please do subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day. Thank you very much.